Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update lead tracking with Follow-Up Boss step by step clearly. To begin updating your lead tracking in Follow-Up Boss, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Navigate to the Leads section from the main dashboard. Select all leads to view your complete list of leads. Choose the lead you want to update by clicking on their name. On the lead's profile page, you'll find various options to edit their information. Update their contact details, such as phone number or email address, if necessary. Scroll down to the Notes section to add any new notes regarding the lead. Click on Add Note and type in your observations or updates. Next, check the Tags section to categorize the lead effectively. Add or remove tags that best describe the current status of the lead. If you had any conversations with the lead, log this interaction in the calls or text sections. Click on Log Call or Log Text to enter the details of your communication. In the Tasks section, create follow-up tasks to ensure you stay on track with the lead. Select Add Task and fill in the details, including due dates. Finally, review all the updates you've made to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on Save to finalize the updates. Your lead tracking in Follow-Up Boss is now updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.